Just brush through the hair. These hairbrushes, these have been all over social media recently. This is a vibrating, massaging, Ionic hairbrush. Why? I have no idea. But the video enticed me and I bought it. Yes, I bought a $35 hairbrush. It did take a while to come in, but hopefully it was worth it. The reason why I bought it was because this girl had super frizzy hair, and then with just one hairbrush stroke, the hair was perfectly smooth. It does claim that it removes static. It does not claim that it removes frizz. So advertisements claim that they remove frizz, so I don't know. I do want to say there are two types. There is frizz and then there is static. Those are two completely different things, different worlds. Static, there is literally energy in your hair. Frizz, that's usually means either there's baby hair and your hair is sticking up, or your hair is lacking moisture and it's brittle and it's just not loving its life. So as you can see right here, I have a lot of new baby hairs and they're sticking up because they're very short and they have nowhere else to go. So we're gonna see for which one this brush actually works. Does this need batteries? It's not turning on. So how do I apply batteries in here? So this does require a AAA battery, one of them. And that's usually the batteries that we don't have. I have a lot of AA, but not AAA, so I had to steal one from our remote. All right, let's see. Oh, nice. Something turned on. Let's put the hair thing back on. And this is very cheap, I must say. All right, it's not vibrating. Ooh, there's actually a needle right here and it's making noises. I'm going to apply static to both sides of my head, and we're going to do one side with just a regular metal rat tail tease comb, and then the other side, this Ionic hairbrush. So we got a balloon. Andre very kindly blew it up for me with only 2 breaths. Oh, it's like sticking to my face. All right, I'm gonna hold the balloon because my hair just keeps falling down, and I wanna see if this metal comb will just make the hair fall off the balloon. Look at that. You did a pretty good job. There's still a little bit some hairs that are sticking out, but look at this. It did a pretty good job. Wow. Right? Mm-hmm. Nice. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Just like that. And I'm gonna turn it on. The light is on. Just brush through the hair. It's not really doing anything. The metal brush did so much better. Wow, this is a look of disappointment that I wasted $35 on this. And I paid shipping. Look at that, with 2 to 3 strokes. Wow. I don't know what to say. This is... I'm literally I'm dumbfounded right now.
You got lied to.
I got lied to. This advertising really got me. I mean, it's literally not doing anything for the hair. Like all these little hairs still sticking up. It's literally not doing anything for the hair. Nothing. I mean, it's brushing it out, but even just holding it, it's uncomfortable. You know what? Let's do it again. But this time, I am not going to hold the balloon while I brush it out. I'm going to really rub the balloon in my hair, create static. I'm going to brush it out and then bring the balloon closer and see if it picks up some of the hair. We'll try it. We'll give it a couple of different tests. Metal comb. I mean, it just calms it down so fast. Wow. Nothing. No energy. Takes it right out. Now let's try it with the hairbrush again on this other side. All right, nice and staticky. I mean, you can see the difference right away. With the hairbrush, it works better when the balloon is not there. Man, the metal brush is amazing. Oh, see? Picks up the hair. Still picking it up. Still picking it up. That means there's still energy and static in there. Look at that. Let's try it with this. One came up. Wow. You guys, I'm saving you money right now. You can find this on Amazon, I think, for like a couple of bucks. Wow. Man, it's such a huge difference. Wow. I'm going to try to find you guys this one right here. I think I bought it probably years ago at Sally's or Amazon. Probably was Amazon. But yeah, it's kind of hard to find just regular metal teasing combs. I'm going to try to find one for you guys because this is a great hack. If your hair is staticky, just use a metal hair comb on your hair. Don't be like me and get suckered into buying a $35 hairbrush. We already know it doesn't do anything for frizz because if it barely does anything for static, it will definitely not do anything for frizz. I mean, the hair is still sticking up. At that point, the only thing that can save your frizzy hair is either some oils, pomade, or some kind of gel to really smooth out your hair or your ends. Depends where you're frizzy. So there you guys have it. Crap product that turned into a nice hack video. Love these types of videos. They're informative. Wasted money. I can't even return this product, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe donate it. Maybe give it to my niece. You know what I mean? One of my nieces. It's a hairbrush. It's cute. It's purple. They can toss it in their purse or backpack. I think they might enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching this video, spending time with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.